So this is what we'll be expecting on our odd JPY for the day. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, if you are new and you have not yet subscribed, click on that subscribe button right now, like and share. So when you take a look at our odd JPY on our food trend, this is it on our food trend. We are in an uptrend. It is very clear that market is trending to the upside. This is a very clear bullish move on our odd JPY. So when you zoom it in, right, you see this to be your high, and here is your higher low. This is also seen to be the higher high, and here is the higher low, right? This is the higher low. So now this is a push-up that has come to give us an equal high before markets give us a pullback. Now our next movement is that markets will push up further and take out this high and this high again. So the bullish move for the day is what we'll be expecting on our odd JPY. If there will be any changes to this movement that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. The link to the Telegram the link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So follow the Telegram channel to stay updated.